Good afternoon, white shipping enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. And to my Spanish-speaking friends,
buenas tardes, entusiastas y novatos del afeitado en húmedo. Bienvenidos a la madriguera del conejo con Cal Shave.
We've been home from Mexico for a couple of weeks. Had an awesome trip. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of video, a few pics from our trip in Mexico, and then we'll get back into the shave.
Thank you, that's exactly the view I wanted.
Are you recording it?
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna chase the coyote. We're gonna chase the coyote.
So, we're back. Picked up this awesome mug as a souvenir while we were down there. So, what we're going with today is this Gutche A77 style shavette I picked up on AliExpress for $6.60 something USD. Can't remember if shipping was included. Came with the sheath and 2 packs of these blades. Now, what I have it loaded with is instead a cloud blade. I think I've used these blades before, and I'm much more familiar with them. Right now, we're going to give a quick tutorial on how to load these blades, and then we'll come right back. So let me show you how to load this razor. It came with 2 packs of these. I'm going to use one of these type blades, and it'll also take these larger ones too, which I'll show you. This is another brand that was recommended to me. I also have a 100 pack of these clouds that are in this size, and I'll show you the difference in size. So first, take out one of the ones that came with it. It is a double-edged blade. So that's that one. Now we're going to show you one of the cloud blades. And these are very, very flexible blades. Double edge. And now we'll show you one of these rhinoceros blades. They all seem to fit the A77 style razors. These just happen to be bigger, and I don't understand the difference because, of course, I can't read the language. So, the way that this razor works, you can see a little slide there, little clip, slide this forward, flip this up, and you can see the little tabs there and the corresponding grooves right there. So, take our I'll show you with the cloud first. It just seats like that. Make sure it's slid all the way forward. Slide it back. And there you go. You are ready to get your shave on. Similarly, slide it, pull that back, and they just sit on those pins. So we're going to take this rhinoceros blade, again, fits on those little nubs, corresponding grooves there. And you can see how that seats. And finally, seeing as I forgot to do this earlier, I'm going to show you the weight on this razor. You're going to get it in grams first. So 74 grams with the blade in it. Or 2.6 ounces. Great feel, very slick, glides on my skin very nicely. No gimping. Unfortunately, I'd like to see a little bit of gimping on here, but you hold this the same as you would hold any straight razor. Monkey tail, like I said, I'd like to see some gimping here, or maybe a little bit of a thumb notch there, but very comfortable, very nice to hold. Now let's get back to the shave. So, what we're going with today, inspired by my buddy Barry Bedford, A Texan Shaves. We are going with Ariana Evans Kaizen beef tallow base. Oh, the scent is just amazing. It's sweet and fruity and playful and light and fresh. Stay tuned to my multi-speed shave. We'll get into more details about this set. I believe this is probably my first or second set ever from A&E. Of course, the matching splash skin food. And in the skull, we have soaking one of my favorite natural, non-synthetic brushes. This is my Semogue 830 Boar. Fresh out of the shower, several days growth. So we're going to get into this, and yeah, we'll talk about the details of the Kaizen, about A&E, talk about the razor, and yeah, so stay tuned. So we're back, lather all made up. Like I said, just a beautiful, fresh, light, fun, playful scent on this. Razor's all ready to go. You can see the blade exposure on there. Let's get into this. Let me read in part from the Ariana and Evans sales page. At Ariana and Evans, we don't follow trends, rather we forge our own path, guided by the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen, continuous improvement. This commitment drives our evolution and ensures that every batch of our award-winning shaving soap meets the highest standards. Quoting their sales page for this particular scent, Kaizen is our playful, bold, seductive, vibrant, and captivating soap. It's a fusion of mandarin, tangy tangerine, and zesty lemon with a dash of bergamot and apple for a fresh and green base. A touch of neroli adds extra charm, but don't worry, it won't overpower your senses. The middle notes are a delightful mix of floral and citrus, while cedar and other woods bring depth to the fragrance. Honeysuckle and rose add a subtle sweetness to the background, never stealing the spotlight. The final stage is a surprisingly spicy and woody blend, almost like a whole new scent altogether. A truly unique evolution in a soap. Exquisite, invigorating, and a bit quirky. Recently, I was chatting with Peter Sharkalis, and this is what he had to say about Kaizen. Kaizen has been extremely popular and really blew up for us worldwide. It put us on the map as it coincided with our Kaizen base release, same name as we introduced the Kaizen base. This was the base that put us in the conversation as one of the top soap bases. We have improved the base since then with a third iteration. All the bases are good, it's really just a matter of set preferences you have. So we are back, got her all cleaned out. Yeah, got a good little nick there. Totally my fault. Technique, not the razor. But, yeah. Strong DFS. That's a damn fine shave. Not baby butt, but damn close. Styptic. Just to stop that little bit or try and slow it down a bit. It's one of those things that after a while you just know as soon as you do it that, yep, wrong technique. Well, we know that part stings a bit, but let's take our PAA Phoenix Shaving Alum to the rest of it and see how it goes. No burn at all whatsoever, even on the usual tougher spots for me down here on my neck. And now going with Ariana and Evans matching after splash skin food, aloe vera, alcohol, and glycerin. Again, no burn. That just feels so nice on the face. From AliExpress, 2.6 ounces or 74 grams, about $6.60 odd cents. You can get this just the razor. You can get it with the blades and the sheath. Obviously a little bit cheaper if you get it just like this. That's probably so far my favorite A77 style shavette. The stainless steel was nice. This here, the coating on this, super slick, great weight. Yes, it's plastic or some sort of a plastic. But just a nice feeling razor. Loving that. Ariana and Evans Kaizen. This is the beef tallow base, matching aftershave. Fun, playful, light, fresh, sweet, fruity. One of the members in one of the groups asked, for what occasions are some of these scents, appropriate for? For me, not so much for the boardroom, but definitely for the bowling alley. Depending on where you're going on your date with your lady. Maybe. A wonderful summer day, a great picnic. Definitely. Again, bowling alley, definitely. Anything outdoors that's fun and playful and just a light. Yeah. It's not dark and mysterious like other scents are. It's not super spicy like other scents are. So again, boardroom, not so much. Important meeting, maybe not so much. Office, yeah, you could get away with this in the office big time. Just a fantastic scent. Anyway, guys, I hope you'll check these out. Links down below and let me know what you think. So anyway, you guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you again in the next video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.